to add some interactability into your streams by having images show up when certain chat messages are sent like this? I'm going to show you how. So we're going to start by creating a screen by going to Add Assets and clicking Screen. I'm going to rename my screen to Tutorial. Rename it however you would like for what you're looking for. We're going to now scroll down to Content, and on the Content type, we're going to change it to Image. Make sure the image that you want to add is in the Images folder for Warudo, and then go into the Preview Gallery, find your image, and paste it there. Now up to Transform Attachment. We want this to attach to our character for this tutorial. So I have it attached to the character head, but it's not exactly in the correct position. So we're going to go up to here where it says Transform and move this around with the sliders to get this in the correct position that we want for this. I'm also going to make it a little smaller. And there we go. I'm now going to set the enabled to no, so the screen is no longer there, it's no longer visible. And now we're going to go over to the blueprints. I already created the blueprint, so I'm going to walk you through it. We start with our on Twitch channel message. This will exit into an if branch, and then we need our message to go into string equals. You can also do string contains, string starts with or ends with, but we're just going to do string equals at this tutorial. So the message is going to go into A, and the B is going to be whatever you want the message to actually be. So I'm looking for the 4 O's emote, and I'm also going to ignore the case just in case anybody sends it lowercase. I still want this to trigger. Once we get into the if branch, we're going to have if this is true, we set our asset property. So I'm going to change to our tutorial asset. The data path will be enabled, and we're going to have the target value be yes, and we do not want this to toggle. We then go into a delay control flow. So this is just how long we want this image to show up. I want it to just flash really quickly, so I have it set to 0.5. If you want it to stay longer, you can increase or decrease this value. And then I copied our set asset property and pasted it afterwards. And I just changed the path, the enabled path. The target value is going to be no. So whenever this triggers, it will enable our screen to show up for 0.5 seconds and then disable it. So now when I send a message in chat, it pops up just like that. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, and also let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to cover in Warudo. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.